Hey everybody, it's really good to see you. Happy to 2025. I just needed to make this quick video because I went out the other day and I took photos that I didn't expect to be very good at all because I didn't know how to use the Ricoh GR3. It was my basically first couple days with this thing and the fog rolled in and I really didn't know what to expect from this. You know, I didn't know how the sensor would perform or how the ISO would do, none of that stuff. So I went out and I just experimented. And then I got home, checked out the photos and I was like, holy cow, these rock. This thing, I'm gonna keep it. I was thinking about selling it, but I'm gonna keep it now. And I wanted to show you guys the first photographs of 2025 that I'm kind of proud of that I took with the Ricoh GR3.